So, stand up please. My dear students, stand up please. How are you everyone? Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So please sit down please. What is the day today?
9/8/24.
What is the day? What is the day today?
Friday.
Today is? Today is? Friday means? Sunday. So today I will revise here the magic pronunciation. Okay? Okay. Here I have already disclosed to you on the boards previous classes. There are 6 letters here that we can call these as a magic letters. Okay, so we can start. Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Ready.
The letter is
The letter is
A. The letter is A. The letter is A. A sounds like A. The letter is C. C sounds like sock. C sounds like job. C sounds like cock. The letter is P. P sounds like pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pot. T sounds like top. T sounds like top. Top, top, tiger. Top, top, text. Top, top, table. Top, top, table. Q sounds like cock. Q sounds like cock. The letter is Q. The letter is Q. The letter is Q. Cock, 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 cock. Cock, cock, cat. K, the letter is K. The letter is not K. K, আমরা কি বলি? K বলি, K. Yes, but the correct pronunciation is K. The letter is K. The letter is K. The letter is K. K sounds like cock. তাহলে আমরা কি কাইন্ড বলবো না কাইন্ড বলবো? তাহলে আমরা কি কাইন্ড ম্যান বলবো না কাইন্ড ম্যান বলবো? Okay. The letter is K. The letter is K. K sounds like car. K sounds like car. চাবি ইংরেজি কি? চাবি key, not key. Key. Okay? Okay. তাহলে এই আমরা A sounds A পড়ি। কি বলি? Letter is A. Letter is A. আমরা অনেক সময় বলি A. No. No. The letter is A. The letter is A. তাহলে able না able. Cable না cable. Table না table. People na people. Foolish na foolish. Okay. তাহলে quiet na quiet. Quick na quick. তাহলে এইভাবে আমরা quickly এই pronunciation গুলো শিখে ফেলবো। Kind na kind. Okay. Thank you very much. Be happy and with English. Okay. Bye bye.